Hey guys, Buff here. It's Tuesday, June 5th. 9:08 a.m. 116-761. And no, we have not gone back in time. We are in the new. Oh crap. Anyway. Yep, that's right. Last night I got it. This is an 03. It's got sunroof so I can look up at the skies. But anyway, I gotta go do some stuff and gotta go find my tripod because I can't find it, so I can't give you a drive video just yet, but we'll get one in soon. But anyway, I got my car last night. I like it. It's got anti-ditch controls. See, look. DSC. That stands for don't stop in the cabbage. When you turn that on, it will not stop in the cabbage. But yeah, stability control, awesome for keeping from going in the cabbage. I'm just kidding, but yeah, anyway, I'm later than Frank for some physical therapy because I was so excited about this car, but I will be back in a bit, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Oh wait, is that quieter? Anyway, I gotta go. I beg my pardon. Much obliged for you guys watching.